Bafethu, Keisha Smailula is a quality player. Only 3 matches, he proved himself that I'm back to the fans. I'm back in the team. Only 2 matches. And I'm not talking about simple matches. I'm talking about real matches where the player is tested. But he managed to score. What a player. What a quality player. Thank you, Keisha Smailula, for coming back to the club that you love. And then this proves this thing. You are proving to us that you love the team, you love the fans. Welcome back to Mamelodi Sundowns. Keisha Smailula is a top quality player, a good scoring machine, guys. Keisha Smailula. I hope Coach Cardoso, you see that. So please include the player in your squad. Include the player in your squad. Keisha Smailula, what a great goal against Kaizer Chiefs. Well done, well done, well done. You are a top player. You are a quality. Like, you are a player that you play as if you didn't leave Mamelodi Sundowns because of you fit so well in a team. Congratulations and welcome back to the team that you love, Keisha Smailula.